Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are conducting another exciting CGM experiment. We are comparing that how eating pineapple as a snacks versus eating pineapple as a dessert after a meal affects your blood sugar level. But which one do you think will lead to a lower sugar spike? Let's find out now. For this experiment, we'll start with eating pineapple as an evening snack. But before that, we'll have to establish a baseline blood sugar level. Alright, my current blood sugar level is 80 mgdl. Now let's eat some pineapples. I have had a bowl of fresh pineapple chunks as snacks and it has been more than 30 minutes. Let's check my blood sugar level now. My blood sugar level right now is 115 mgdl. That's a spike of 35 points. Now next what we are doing is we are going to eat pineapple as a dessert after my dinner. I'm having a balanced meal first for my dinner, and after finishing the meal, I'll have the same amount of fresh pineapple chunks as dessert. After finishing the meal, I have had the same amount of fresh pineapple chunks as desserts, and it has been more than 30 minutes since I finished the meal and had the pineapple. Let's look at my blood sugar level. My blood sugar level right now is only 106 mgdl. That's a spike of 26 points, which is much lower than when I ate pineapple as a snack. It looks like consuming pineapple as a part of meal leads to smaller and more manageable increase in blood sugar compared to eating it alone as a snack. See, pineapple is generally high in GI, which causes sugar levels to spike drastically. Fruits which are high in GI can be smartly included in the diet as a dessert option by following simple hack known as meal sequencing, where you eat protein, fat and fiber, followed by carbs, which will give lesser post-meal spikes. If you found this experiment insightful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.